In the heart of Chiang Mai, an extraordinary sanctuary stands. The Elephant Hospital, a beacon of hope for Asia's gentle giants. Their mission? To mend the broken, heal the wounded, and comfort the tormented, all at no cost. Their patients range from those with infected wounds to those needing artificial limbs after grueling forestry work. Sadly, remnants of past conflicts, including landmines, leave these magnificent creatures mutilated, suffering for months, even years without treatment. The hospital's work is critical, but it's also in jeopardy. The hospital needs your help now to survive. Please go to www.friendsoftheasianelephantfoundation.com. If you find it in your heart to donate, even a few dollars will make a difference. It could pay for a bag of carrots or some much-needed medicine. Every penny counts. The staff and the elephants humbly thank you. Your generosity helps keep hope alive in this sanctuary of healing. Together we can ensure that these majestic creatures continue to thrive.